Welcome to OrgChartX, the tool that effortlessly transforms your tree-structured data into stunning professional organizational charts. With OrgChartX, there's no need for manual drawing. Simply select your preferred colors, shapes, and sizes to customize the nodes. Choose a layout that positions the parent and child nodes just as you need. You can also personalize the style of the connection lines for a completely tailored look. To add a child node, select a node and tap the plus button. The action bar is your central hub for managing the selected node. Here you can create new child or sibling nodes, duplicate or delete the selected node, and more. When you drag a node to another, OrgChartX presents you with options. You can choose to copy the node and set it as a new child under the targeted node, or move it as a child under the targeted node. OrgChartX supports versatile copy and paste operations. You can manage nodes within the same chart window or across multiple chart windows. You can also integrate nodes from other applications. To efficiently build your tree structure, use the bulk creation feature by copying multi-line text. Customize the appearance of your selected node using the inspector panel. Here you can adjust colors, shapes, and sizes, and change the layout to better position the node and its children. Modify the style of the connection lines for clearer, more organized displays. Use the Apply function to instantly extend your chosen styles to all child nodes. This method significantly boosts your efficiency. Additionally, the ability to copy and paste visual styles through the menus makes achieving uniformity quick and easy. In the Inspector panel, you can specify the content displayed on the chart by tapping the tree button in the top right corner. This visibility setting can also be applied to child nodes, ensuring consistent display throughout your chart. The Inspector panel also serves as the central hub for editing all properties of the selected node. For bulk edits, switch to the grid view. This feature allows you to manage properties for multiple nodes simultaneously. Simply tap a cell to select it, and tap again to start editing. The grid view supports copying and pasting from within the chart, across multiple chart windows, or from external applications. Additionally, the grid view enables you to edit multiple cells simultaneously by importing data directly from Microsoft Excel or Apple Numbers. This functionality is invaluable for integrating data and enhancing productivity through the robust capabilities of these spreadsheet applications. You can also utilize the Columns view, which functions similarly to the familiar Columns view in the Finder app. OrgChartX is designed to adapt seamlessly to your business needs. Customize the fields of your chart notes from options such as text, Boolean, number, location, percentage, date, and URL, and rearrange them as needed. This flexibility allows OrgChartX to serve various purposes beyond traditional charting. Your data is securely stored on iCloud, ensuring that any changes you make are automatically synchronized across all devices linked with your Apple ID. OrgChartX also offers an automatic backup feature, which you can configure in the app settings. This video has introduced just the basics and a fraction of what OrgChartX offers. We highly encourage you to consult the online user manual to explore the full potential of the app. Discover additional features that can enhance your productivity and flexibility.